How to make herbal tea. Homemade tea has been used for centuries as both a simple beverage as well as for therapeutic treatments. Whether you are suffering from indigestion, sleeplessness, or a sore throat, herbal tea offers a natural way to seek comfort and relief. In addition to its medicinal quality, drinking a cup of aromatic herbal tea can also be a great way to relax after a hectic day. With a few quick tips about herbal tea uses and their preparation, you'll be on your way to making the perfect cup of soothing herbal tea. However, your choices are not limited to the tea blend recipes found on your grocery store shelves. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to creating your own herbal tea blend, boiling and steeping, and serving. Now let's talk about the process. Things you'll need. 1. Herbal tea of your choice. 2. Water, freshly drawn and not reboiled. 3. Tea kettle. 4. Teapot. 5. Teacup. 6. Small tea leaf strainer. 7. Loose leaf tea ball. 8. Teacup with a lid or saucer to use as a lid. Method 1. Creating your own herbal tea blend. Number 1. Combine ginseng and ginkgo biloba for a boost of energy. Mix together 4 tablespoons, 60 grams, of dried ginseng with 4 tablespoons, 60 grams, of dried ginkgo biloba to make 1 U.S. quart, 0.95 L, of tea. Both popular Chinese herbs, a blend of ginseng and ginkgo biloba will encourage energy and alertness. Number 2. Create a relaxing blend with chamomile, lemongrass, and rose petals. Mix together 4 tablespoons, 60 grams, of dried chamomile leaves, 2 tablespoons, 30 grams, of dried lemongrass, and 2 tablespoons, 30 grams, of dried rose petals in a bowl to make 1 U.S. quart, 0.95 L, of tea. Adjust the measurements as necessary to make a smaller or larger batch. Just make sure to keep the ratios the same. Chamomile is known for its relaxing properties. You can also consider adding lavender or rosemary to your blend, as they also have calming effects. You can use fresh chamomile leaves instead. Just chop them up beforehand to increase their surface area. Number 3. Make a mint and ginger tea to soothe an upset stomach. Mix together 2 teaspoons, 10 grams, of dried mint leaves, 1/2 teaspoon, 2.5 grams, of fennel seeds, and a pinch of dried ginger in a bowl to make 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of tea. You can easily adjust the measurements to make a larger batch of tea by multiplying the quantity of each ingredient by the number of cups you would like to make. Peppermint, ginger, calendula, and catnip are great options for your tea blend if you are seeking relief from indigestion or gas. You can also create a mint tea with fresh leaves plucked directly from the stem. Just keep in mind that you will need a larger quantity of mint when using fresh leaves rather than dried ones. You will need roughly 3 to 4 cups, 600 to 700 grams, of fresh mint leaves to make 1 U.S. quart, 0.95 L, of tea. You can use freshly grated or dried ginger in your tea. Number 4. Create a licorice root blend to heal a sore throat and cough. Mix together 4 tablespoons, 60 grams, of licorice root, 2 tablespoons, 30 grams, of valerian root, and 2 tablespoons, 30 grams, of dried marshmallow leaf in a bowl to create a blend that is perfect for cold sufferers. Around 8 tablespoons, 120 grams, of leaves will make 1 U.S. quart, 0.95 L, of tea. Consider adding red clover, yarrow, or thyme to your blend for their throat-soothing properties. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Boiling and steeping. Number 1. Bring a pot or kettle of water to a boil. Fill a pot or kettle full of water and place it on the stove. Turn the heat on high to encourage quicker boiling. It is best not to worry about the exact quantity of the water at this stage, as you will lose water to evaporation as it boils. Once the water has reached a rolling boil, turn off the heat and allow it to sit for 30 seconds before measuring the exact quantity you will need with a liquid measuring cup. Use an electric kettle if you do not have a stove or heat source handy. Keep in mind that you can also cold brew herbal tea by placing the herbs in water and allowing them to infuse overnight in the refrigerator. Number 2. Warm your teapot and teacups before adding the boiling water. Place your teacups and teapot under hot running water from your sink. Make sure to turn the water on the hottest setting possible. Warming your teacups before adding the boiling water will help prevent breakage due to rapid temperature fluctuation. Place a lid over the teacup or pot so that it will retain the heat as you continue preparing the tea. Pre-warming your cups will also help your tea stay warmer for longer. Number 3. Add your herbal tea blend to a cup or pot. Add your pre-measured herbal tea blend to your cup, teapot, or tea ball. Use 1 or 2 teaspoons, 5 to 10 grams, of tea to make a cup or 8 fluid ounces, 240 milliliters, of tea and around 8 tablespoons, 120 grams, of tea to make a pot or 1 US quart, 0.95 L, of tea. If you are using tea bags, refer to the instructions on the side of the box. Generally, though, you should use 1 tea bag per 8 fluid ounces, 240 milliliters, of water. You can also purchase a small reusable metal tea ball to hold your loose leaf tea while it steeps. It can be easily removed and emptied into the trash so that you don't need to strain the tea as you pour the pot into your cup. Number 4. Pour water over the tea and allow it to steep for 5 to 8 minutes. If you don't know how much water your teapot or teacup holds, you can first pour the boiling water into a liquid measuring cup before adding it to your tea. Carefully add the hot water to your tea. Cover your cup or pot and allow it to steep for 5 to 8 minutes for the flavor to reach the desired strength. For a stronger flavored tea, allow the tea to steep longer and add additional tea leaves. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Serving. Number 1. Strain your tea, if necessary. If you are using loose leaf tea, pour the water from your teapot through a mesh strainer into your teacup. Otherwise, remove the tea bag or tea bags from your cup and place them on a plate or directly into the trash. Once they have cooled slightly, you can squeeze any remaining water into your cup. Check your teapot to see whether it has a mesh strainer built into the spout. Some teapots have this feature and, if yours does, you won't need to pour the tea through a strainer into your cup. Number 2. Add sweetener according to your preference. Add sugar or artificial sweetener to your tea while it is still hot so that the sugar easily dissolves. Stir the tea with a spoon to ensure that the sweetener dissolves completely. Consider sweetening your tea with local honey. Number 3. Enjoy your tea with a snack. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your tea with a bite to eat. Consider pairing chocolate scones and desserts with peppermint tea. Fruity herbal teas will perfectly complement citrusy or tart entrees or desserts. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Herbal tea benefits. 1. Herbal tea is a gentle, natural way to unwind and relax. Research suggests that it may help reduce pain, improve your digestive system function, and even boost the immune system with its antioxidants. 2. Herbal tea can be consumed in many ways, hot or iced, with honey and lemon, blended into a smoothie, all of which have their own benefits. Herbal tea is also a great alternative to coffee, which can cause jitteriness and stomach ailments in some people. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.